Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to share Srila reviews. In this video you will get to know about the legitimacy of this website. So let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are tops, homeware, outwear, dresses, bottoms, accessories and shoes. And friends, the prices of the products are too good to believe. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So guys, you can pay through PayPal, Visa and MasterCard. Let's check the shipping information now. So friends, you can expect to receive your order in 12 to business days, and shipping charges are not disclosed. Friends, let's have a look on return policies now. So here we can see that their return policy lasts for 15 days and refund will be initiated within a week. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, Srila.com is protected through HTTPS protocol and have SSL certification. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 13th August 2020. Now, let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here we can see that only an email ID is provided, which is service@srila.com. And apart from this friends, the link of social media platform lend us on the official page of srila.com, which is a positive sign. And talking about the Srila reviews guys, so over the internet we could not find even a single customer review, and one of the possible reason for zero customer review could be that this website does not have much traffic as it is not popular among people. And friends, here we can see that the images of the products over the website are duplicate. Also, the content of the website is copied because it matches with the content of other websites. So guys, based on all these loopholes, I would conclude that Srila is a highly suspicious website. Therefore, I would suggest you to research well before buying any product from this website. Friends, however, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below, and do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Bye bye guys, stay informed.